Go away, raccoon. Let go. Let go of the bird feeder. That's right, little Rocky Raccoon. Go away. That's a little Rocky Raccoon. Let's come over and have some bird feeder every once in a while. Gordon's going berserk earlier. Alright. See if his little friend came over. There might be two of them out there. Let's see.
We gonna bring the golf passes?
Watch what you say, I got the camera rolling.
Shoot. Fudge. Son of a gun. We really need to
I wish I had a gun.
I tried to pull one out. I had one in my hand.
What are you? This is gonna make me take a drive on me while we're watching this. It's Molly driving.
Driving back to the condo.
Molly and Kenny Jr. And then there's everyone else.
Trip six.
Okay, that's enough. This is our condo. Are you going to get the golf passes? Hello. Yeah. Ken. Hey. Everybody wave. Go stand by your boat, Ken. There's the boat that we're looking to buy. Checking it out.
Yeah, I'll get a shot of you guys by next.
Easter dinner in the Hilton Head. Marianne and Matt cooking. Ken and Clay doing absolutely nothing for Easter dinner. Why is this thing? I'm gonna go take a little tour of the condo. So far. Molly on the phone. So hallway. This is the room Matt and I have been sleeping in. I don't know where the light is, so. I guess. One of our bathrooms. Washer and dryer. This is the room Clayton and Indiana are sleeping in. It's nice. And then it's got a bathroom. Hello. Don't be a crab, you're on vacation. Check out here, the dining room table for Easter dinner. Matt making green beans. This is a little patio. Nice. All the other condos. Golf course over there. This is Ken and Clay actually doing something for the Easter dinner.
We would never rinse these. Oh my god, you guys are the shittiest dishwasher I've ever fucking seen.
Watch your language, you're on tape.
Oh, you're the best dishwasher ever. Here, you put this in there? I would. Right, I sit up. It's unbelievable. You guys don't have it. Shitty.
Hey, you're on tape.
This guy.
We are in Seattle at the REI, right, Matt?
That's right.
What do you think of Seattle? Cool. Coffee bars everywhere. That guy's a coffee seller. REI is an outdoor shop. Great Seattle Space Needle. Check out how REI does, we can test bikes and hiking equipment. I'll try to get a little bit more of it. Cool. It's pretty neat. Next we are going to the Experience Music Project, correct?
Yes.
And does Matt know where that is?
Yes.
How far? Alrighty. Matt's being surly, so I'm gonna go.
About a mile. You walk towards that to get here.
Matt's sitting in a little Corolla. Wave, Matt. We're at one of Seattle's finest establishments. And look, they're just like us. Oopsie. Woo, Target. Hi, Matt.
Hello.
What you doing?
And my boots.
Uh-huh. Where are we? Matt, where are we?
I'm not sure exactly what the name of it is. Quinalt Rainforest.
There are some pretty big trees out here. Check out the size of this tree. Look how little Matt is. It's still not as big as the sequoias, but impressive nonetheless. We're about to head off into the rainforest. I got new boots. See? Very pretty.
Okay.
Well, this is the rainforest. Huh? I can't. I have it right here. Very cool. Alright, here we are in Olympic National Forest. Here comes Matt. I want to take my boots off and put my feet in the water. But, yeah. Now we are in the Hall of Mosses, and it has named it such due to the fact that there's a lot of moss in here. Right, Matt? Mm-hmm. This is an older section of the rainforest, more established, and in a higher terrain. Want to tell us where we are?
We're at the big cedar tree.
Okay. Huh?
So, oh Liz, will you ever win?
Will I ever win what?
That's just, I don't know, it's just a phrase.
Oh.
I think that's more than one tree right there. It's several trees.
They're ripping us off.
I don't think it's a clip, Liz. It's a nice level grade.
I was just filming your butt. Oh. Matt promised me that this was it, but he says, "Oh look, it's right there." My feet hurt, my legs hurt. Annie Leibowitz. Alright, Herb Ritz.
Who's that?
He's gay. Chirp, 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 chirp. Uh-oh. Okay. You can move around now. But where's it show my camera time? My battery time. Oh, 162 minutes. Sweet. Well, anyway, this is our room. Let's go and film. The bathroom. Yep. Matt's blowing his nose. He's angry with me, I think. So this is the view from our room of Seattle. Nice, huh? We're right by FAO Schwartz. Look at all the little toys. Maybe I can get the creepy man down there. There's this guy that dresses up as a little toy soldier type deal. So let's see what we're gonna do.
Market, so you can pictures again.
This is our hotel area. A little atrium type situation. And then see inside. said, I'll get this a little later today. minutes to Seattle. All market shops down there. You can hear the fish people in the background. Look at all the produce. And our hotel. Oh, there's Matt. This is right down there. Right, Maddie? Can you hear me? Yeah. I think he's there too. Take a look at the idiot I'm married to. He's sitting on top of a running vehicle. Nice. And this is what he was doing it for. Oh, God. Take a picture of Mount Rainier. Huh?